In third part, we will see the next two forms, that is joint stock company and other private company. So it is governed by the Company Act, which need to follow various provision of acts. So joint stock come into force. Uh, Hence, the company forms of organization has to comply with the various status requirement, the growing needs of modern industry, and the commerce will not be will as or made by the sole proprietorship or partnership. That's why a joint stock company is a better method of demolishing the financing research. The silent features of the joint stock company. It is an incorporated organization. Next, members and shareholders are owner, and the business run by the board of director, that means BOD, runs a business by elected, or that elected by the members in the general body in meeting company. Next, requirement capital is divided into small shares. Those requirement capital is there required for the company, that divided into small share. Next, shareholders is free in the share handling. Okay, means those the shareholder is always free to withdraw from the membership of the company by transferring his share. That means shareholder is free in share handling. Next, profit are taxes at flat rates. Means a company profit are taxes at a flat rate against the slab rate charged for non-cooperative bodies. Means uh, tax we will done that have some rate are there that fix for that on the profits. Okay, next, company can own, hold, dispose property without consent of shareholder. Next, company seal with the name he use as signature. Next, a company is a legal person. Only the law can bring it and the end. So its life doesn't depend upon the member's life. The shares of company may be changes in several hands of stock exchange, but life of company remaining unaffected if any charges will be changes. Next, joint stock company advantages. First advantage is it is able to collect a large amount of capital. You can collect large amount of capital other than a sole proprietorship and a partnership. Next, good capital and quality staff. Uh, we have gave good capital and quality staff. Next, easy transfer of share and its convertibility in cash. Easy to transfer our share to cash. Next, shareholder elected directors who run the company. Next, liability of the membership is limited with less risk. Risk of liability is less with reference to membership. Next, company pay tax on the flat rate. Next, it is life does not depend upon the member's life. Uh, Company depend upon the pay tax is means on the higher profits it will have to bear lower tax liability as compared to others. That's why company means income tax is there is in flat rate, means higher profit you have give, So lower tax liability we have to follow compared to others. That's why it's one of advantage. Next, joint stock company disadvantage. First, formation of company is time consuming and costly. Next, lacks of promote decision due to the late board meeting, so somewhat business related difficulties is there. Next, malpractice and illegal can occur in joint stock company. Next, shareholders elect director may misuse the authority. Secrecy cannot be maintained in the board meeting because all the profit is contributed to um, several members of the company, or business spread over to several members of the company. That's why secrecy cannot be maintained. Company when run on the large scale may exploit consumer by the price hiking of poor quality product. That is one disadvantage. So some trust of consumer somewhat less for the any company brand. That is one disadvantage of a joint stock company. Next, finance person of the company may influence economy, political, government decision. That is the advantages and disadvantage of joint stock company. Next, which kinds of companies from the point of view. First, incorporation company, that means LIC, Air India, IFC, that's related incorporation company. Next, liability, that is unlimited and limited by guarantee or shares. Next, according to nationality, national or multinational company. Next, public interest, private company, public company, or government company. Next is an forms of business organization is cooperative society. The cooperative society, it is an voluntary association of financial storage financially strong person don't accept profit but want stable finance resource. That means the cooperative society, because it name suggests for the being for the cooperation. It means the for the voluntary by it's obtained by the voluntary association by it financially already strong and that runs the any society or business. They come together with the aim for not to get a profit but is overcome disstability arising out want of adequate financial resources. Silent feature of cooperative society, it is an voluntary association and members can given to notice for the membership withdrawn. Voluntary association is there, so different members is there. Each member have one vote irrespective of share. Those having member in the that cooperative society have one vote for irrespective of share. Limited capital investment by the members. The capital investment here is a limited. May take loan from central or state cooperative banks. We can take loans from central or state cooperative banks. Member can transfer their shares but can return it. If you transfer our shares but you can return it. Next, profit is irrespective of the member investment. Next, this work on the cash credit facility not allotted, only on the share. Next, need to register under Cooperative Society Act 1912. For cooperatives or run the cooperative society business, you must have to register under the Cooperative Society Act. So management of the society is hand of the management committee, which is elected by the member. The board policy are framed by the members, or the management committee is required or is must for the performing the duties within its parameter. So management committee is important for the cooperative society. Each member is entitled to single vote or irrespective of number of shareholder. The members that are elected, that managing the all the business in the as a form of managing committee. That managing committee bears the office in president, vice president, secretary and treasury, and that's run the society. Next advantages: it is an voluntary association and requires members. Next, each members have one vote irrespective of shares. Next, limited liability by the members. Next, it does not depend upon the death, insolvency, conviction of the member. Good cooperation between members due to same idea of inspiration. Cooperation somewhat good rather than we have discussed in joint stock company. Membership upon to everyone. Somewhat in a joint stock company or partnership, membership may be somewhat as an different according to different partnership or joint stock. But in here cooperative society, membership goes to the everyone. Next, state government offers loan at low interest, exemption, low tax. Profit earned may be used for growth, expansion of cooperative society, not for personal use. Disadvantages: there is always shortage of capital. Next, inexperience or less technical managing committee may causes problem in society, because they are not a business management person is in the society, so that in some cases somewhat difficult to earn the profit. Different in opinions, the members may causes due to different adverse effect may be done in the society, because less profit in the society is there. Next, lack of motivation to the members due to the limited return by the law. Lack of motivation to the member. Next, lack of secrecy, because membership is there in the cooperative society. Next, excessive state uh, government regulation and control affected its working.